What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. As you can see, I got the throwback LA Sparks jersey on. If you don't know who that is, do the research, kid. But this video has been a long awaited because it took this package damn near 4 months to get here, but whatever. Okay, today we will be unboxing a Louis Vuitton Supreme denim jacket. The package I got doesn't seem too thick, so I don't know. I ordered it from IOFFER. It's a kind of a website where you can get cheap knockoff things for free. You know what I'm saying? If it's cheap, I don't mind wearing it. I don't care if it's fake or not. But let's see what we got. As you can see, it hasn't been opened yet, so I wanted to share this with you guys what it actually looks like. Because I heard bad things from this website. People get scammed and all that, or the product doesn't look like what the picture looks like. But let's experience this firsthand. Okay. Supreme, okay, got the, okay. Let's check this out. I'm excited for this. Just check it out. Oh man. 2 babies, thank you, man. Shit, took forever, but I don't give a shit. It looks a little small though, but I don't, you know what I'm saying? I fit it. As you can see, the texture is real legit. The only thing that seems unlegit to me is this. I mean, I'm pretty sure who actually made the sweater, but it's pretty stiff. I actually got it for a steal of, I don't know, 35, 40 bucks, around that price, when in reality, this jacket is $200 to $300. Okay, let's try this jacket on. Thank you to those who watched this whole video. Now, some things I do have to say about the website. The website has a lot of things. Off-white shoes, Louis Vuitton shoes, Vans, all that you can name up that these hype beasts wear on these videos, on these YouTube videos and stuff like that. They got it on there for about $20 because, you know, it's coming from China, so that's the reason. That's another reason why it takes so long to get here. This jacket took damn near 4 months to get here. I thought I was, you know, I got scammed out of my money, so I was like, you know what I'm saying, it's $30, so why not try it out? But if you do want to, you know, look fashionable for the low, this website could be for you, but you have to have a lot of patience. Ordering, make sure you get your clothing or whatever you order like a size up, because, you know, not to sound like a little racist, but you know what I'm saying, since the guys down there in you know, China are a little smaller than we are, I recommend you going up a size. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, do whatever. Follow me on social media below. That's it. I'm gone.